guys, welcome back to the Southern Rustic. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for chicken and rice soup. It's easy, very minimal ingredients, and it's very delicious. So let's go over the ingredients and we'll get started cooking this, guys. Okay, you guys, for this recipe you're going to need a salt and pepper. You're going to need garlic, zest of a lemon plus the juice of a whole lemon, 1 bay leaf, onion, carrot, celery, a pound of chicken. This is bone-in chicken breast with the skin on. You're going to need some rice. This is 1 cup of rice that I've already rinsed and drained, and 6 cups of chicken broth. Okay guys, first things first, we're going to cook our chicken. So I've just got a pot of water here. We're going to add in our chicken. Going to add in a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon of salt. This is going to help flavor the chicken. And then just turn your heat on to medium. And you're going to let this cook for 15 minutes. Now the point of this is to get all of the blood from the chicken, so that way when we put the chicken in our broth to cook later, it will make the broth more clear and you can taste the flavors better in the broth. So we're just going to cook this for 15 minutes. We're going to drain it and then I'll meet you right back here. Okay guys, I've got my chicken drained and it's sitting to the side. You're just going to add in just a little bit of olive oil to your pan. You're going to let that come up to heat. You're going to add in your onion, your 1 stalk of celery. You don't want to add too much because celery will overpower anything you put in. And 1 carrot, finely diced. And you can go ahead and season this with a little bit of salt. You don't want to add too much salt because the chicken broth has salt in it. And then just a little bit of pepper. Now you don't want to caramelize this, you just want to get it soft. Okay, this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. You're going to add in about 2 cloves of garlic. And give that a stir. Now you can go ahead and add in your chicken broth. You're going to add in your rice. Add your chicken back in. Now you're going to bring this to a boil and you're going to let this cook for 20 minutes. You can come in here and check it to make sure that the rice is not sticking to the bottom. And you can add more water in if needed. Don't forget to add your bay leaf. Just stick that right in there. Now when this comes up to a boil, you're going to turn your heat down to low. You're going to cover it with a lid and you're going to let this cook for 20 minutes, stirring frequently so the rice doesn't stick. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm just going to kind of give this a stir. I'm going to go ahead and remove my chicken. Going to let the rice finish cooking another 10 minutes or so. In the meantime, I'm going to shred my chicken. Okay guys, it has been another 10 minutes and my rice is cooked really well. So now we're just going to zest in our lemon. Okay, now you're going to add in your chicken. I'm going to add in a little bit more water, about a cup of water. I want a little bit more soup than what I've got. Now you're going to check for seasoning, just to see if you need any more salt. That's it guys, you're ready to plate. Okay guys, everything is done and we are ready for the taste test. Now when it comes to toppings, you can top this however you like. I just topped mine with a little bit of green onion and a jalapeno. So let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is so good. That lemon brightens this dish up really well. And the little kick from the jalapeno is so delicious. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that little red subscribe button down below and be part of the family here at Southern Rustic. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.